Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Windows 10 and Windows 11 have optional components that are Windows features on demand. So if we head to our control panel, programs and features, you get turn Windows features on or off. So that's what I'm referring to, features on demand. And as part of the features on demand, we get .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8 advanced services. And if you're wondering what .NET Framework is, basically it's a software development framework for building and running applications on Windows. And a lot of legacy applications depend on .NET Framework, in case you were unaware. And as you can see, .NET Framework 3.5 is not checked by default, where .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services is enabled by default. So 3.5 is older, 4.8 is newer. Now, just to let you know, regarding .NET Framework 3.5, Microsoft has announced that starting with Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 27965, now that was a Canary Channel Insider build that rolled out last year in October. Microsoft says that .NET Framework 3.5 is no longer available as a Windows Features on Demand optional component. So this means that Microsoft is going to be removing .NET Framework 3.5 from the optional Windows features in future versions of the operating system. And in the future, if you still want to use it, you will need to use a standalone installer. It'll still be available as a standalone installer if you want to download and install it, but when it comes to optional features, it's going to be removed from the operating system. Now, it's important to note that Microsoft says it does not affect Windows 10 or Windows 11 releases up until version 25H2. Now, I'm running 25H2, and as you can see, it's still available as an optional on-demand feature. So that means that with the next version of Windows, version 26H1 or version 26H2, this will no longer be available as an optional on-demand feature. So just giving you guys a quick heads up if this is something you are using in the operating system, just to keep you guys in the loop. Now, Microsoft says the reason for this change is that it aligns, I'm quoting, with the product's life cycle, which ends on January the 9th, 2029. So Microsoft says that if you are affected, you need to upgrade to newer and supported versions of .NET Framework. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.